Hey there, fellow travelers and adventure seekers. Welcome back to my channel, Traveler's Plan. In today's video, I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey to Mumbai, India's city of dreams. Get ready for a whirlwind of colorful sights, bustling streets, and incredible stories that will leave you inspired and wanting more. Our first stop in this vibrant city is the world-renowned Gateway of India. Built in 1924, this majestic arch stands tall, symbolizing the entry point to Mumbai. It's not only a historical landmark but also a lively gathering spot, where both locals and tourists come together to enjoy breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. Now, I know Mumbai has its fair share of contrasts. Just a stone's throw away from glamorous skyscrapers lies Dharavi, one of Asia's largest slums. Contrary to the expectations, this place buzzes with energy, as residents work diligently in various industries such as pottery, textile production, and leather goods. It's a testament to the resilience and entrepreneurial spirit of Mumbai's people. If you're craving some peace amidst the chaos, Marine Drive is the perfect place to unwind. This scenic promenade stretches along the coastline, offering a breathtaking view of the Arabian Sea. As dusk settles in, take a stroll and marvel at the mesmerizing sea of lights when the city comes alive. It's truly a spectacle to behold. No visit to Mumbai is complete without indulging in its lip-smacking street food. The city is a paradise for foodies. From vada pav, a spicy potato fritter served with a bun, to the mouth-watering pav bhaji, a spicy vegetable curry with buttered buns, every savory bite will leave you craving for more. Don't forget to try the famous Bombay chaat, a combination of crispy samosas, tangy chutney, and yogurt. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Mumbai is the heart and soul of the Indian film industry, Bollywood. Step into the magical world of cinema by catching a Bollywood dance performance or even visiting a film set. Immerse yourself in the vibrant music and joyful atmosphere that is quintessentially Mumbai. Who knows, you might even get a chance to meet a Bollywood celebrity. Just a ferry ride away from Mumbai lies the mystical Elephanta Caves, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These centuries-old rock-cut caves are adorned with intricately carved sculptures and ancient shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. Explore the deep-rooted history and spirituality of this enchanting place as you venture through its halls. And there you have it, my fellow adventurers. A whirlwind tour of Mumbai that has taken us from historical landmarks to vibrant streets, from mouth-watering street food to the world of Bollywood magic. I hope you enjoyed this virtual journey through this fascinating city. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my upcoming travel adventures. Leave a comment below and let me know which city you'd like me to explore next. Until then, keep exploring, keep wandering, and keep spreading the love for travel. Stay tuned for more amazing journeys that will inspire the wanderlust within you. Take care, and see you in the next video.